Hello, I'm your friend Teacher Sam. Today I'm going to teach you the best way to give a convincing answer in the IELTS Speaking Test Part 2. The question we will be addressing is, describe a television show you have seen recently. This question requires you to talk about what the show was about, where and when you saw it, what type of program it was, and why you enjoyed this kind of show. To start, focus on what the show was about. For instance, you could say, the television show I watched recently was a crime drama series. It focused on the life of a detective who uses his exceptional observation skills to solve complex crimes. Be specific and detailed in your description to show a clear understanding of the content. Next, describe where and when you saw it. You might say, I watched this television show in my living room last Sunday evening. This information adds context to your viewing experience. Then, you will need to identify the type of program. For example, the program was a series that aired on a popular streaming platform. This detail helps categorize the show and gives the examiner a clearer picture of what you watched. Finally, explain why you enjoyed this kind of show. You could say something like, I enjoy this kind of show because it keeps me on the edge of my seat. The suspense and mystery involved in each episode make the viewing experience thrilling and engaging. Remember, the key to giving a convincing answer is to be detailed, logical, and expressive. Use descriptive language to paint a vivid picture of your viewing experience. Be confident in your delivery and make sure your answer flows naturally. To summarize, when answering this question, 1. Describe what the show was about in a detailed and specific manner. 2. Share where and when you saw the show to add context. 3. Identify the type of program to categorize the show. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing with different television shows and soon, giving a convincing answer will become second nature. I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on acing the IELTS speaking test. This is Teacher Sam signing off.